Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Skiers. My name is your host Tommy Cunningham, and welcome to the very special day today of Tommy's graduation from the Excel Center. I want to show you guys my outfit, which is a black shirt and some khaki pants, which I honestly feel really just looking forward to. I feel really excited. And I'm also with two things coming up, with the radio frequencies coming up. I got some really neat stuff coming up for my YouTube channel in the next couple of days, starting next week. Next Wednesday, I'll be taking you guys out wherever I go. I'll be starting to do that when things get like calm down, when things get like upgraded, when things get like good. So if you guys are not yet subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos, and let's get this video started. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is what are my plans for after the Excel Center. After the Excel Center, I plan to do as much work on my YouTube channel that I can do, because hey, there is a lot of stuff that you guys can do, like on your daily list, that you guys got to put on your schedule, which what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to take around the radio frequencies and like look around at those, which I think is really kind of silly today, which I thought, which was kind of okay but kind of silly, was that if you guys were watching this video like before I woke up, there was an AT&T nationwide outage, which they made that because of a couple of solar flares which are in the atmosphere. Which also like looking around like at the different radio channels, and like also looking at the several different places that each place has, like number one, the first place I think that will be really good is that if they go do like different radio scanner magic, if they go do like several different places. Now also, which I think is really different in the United States right now, which we all know right now, it's the radio. It's not a lot of people is paying attention to the radio scanners than paying attention. See, like, I'm a big fan of radio scanners, okay? That's my number one thing, which today's video is a lot different, because today's video, I just wanted to do a sit-down video and talk about what are my plans for after the Excel Center, which I feel really excited for. I feel really looking forward to. And also you guys, there is like so much different radio scanner stuff and like so much like different stuff coming up that's on my schedule, and I gotta tell you guys something. I am going to be busy the next couple weeks on my YouTube channel. Now before my YouTube channel gets large and doing all that, I am going to try to make the bestest YouTube video that I have done in quite a while, okay? And a lot of people are saying, hey, the icon of the seas is like a very overwhelming cruise. But hey, I have never been on there, and I'm just looking at videos like on YouTube, and some of you guys just need to take Icon Seas a break, okay? Because Icon of the Seas is trying to do better, because they are doing like sometimes your stuff on your cruise is going to make you cost more because they don't know about what's going on. They don't know what's happening, and they don't even know like what the different radio frequency problems are like on a cruise ship. Like, that's what the icon of the seas looks like from a YouTube video I'm watching. Now, which I think is really kind of interesting on this, and like all the news, is that they are costing so much for people to do stuff on that cruise, which I think it is like so very stupid. It's so like unreal for different people like me and like a lot of people in the world, okay? Because there is like so much like different radio screens, there's like so much like different areas, and like many different areas probably doesn't know like what their radio scanner rules are and what their rules are for their achievements, okay? So Royal Caribbean had this idea for Icon of the Seas. Kind of like Norwegian Cruise Line has the idea for their own cruise ships, which I think is really kind of cool. Also, which I think is really kind of different and like really kind of interesting about this entire thing, it's that this cruise ship is going out of the port of Miami, which honestly, I like the port of Miami. I currently have a cruise coming up out of the port of Port Canaveral in Brevard County, Florida, which you guys, I am so very excited. I am looking forward to it. I am so excited. You guys, if you guys are going to take your time and method on a cruise ship, that's what I think which are the special perks about which is making a cruise ship right. It's making it look good, it's making it feel right, and it's making it feel like overwhelming sometimes for a lot of people. So they got their own Starbucks, they got their own Bionic Bar, they got their own comedy clubs. They even got their own food, which is so very different, like from the other cruise lines, because Carnival Cruise Lines is like so different from like those other cruise lines that you guys probably been on, and like looking around like at those different places. And like sometimes people needs like a little bit of help, all right? So the thing that I think that they need, it is just to walk around walk around the cruise ship and just tell yourself that they are okay. In Princess, I have not been on yet, okay? But I've heard a lot of good stuff about Princess, okay? Because Princess does a lot of stuff for a lot of different people. All right, so Princess does more and more different things that's different, kind of like they are more suited for the old people. Now they even have the medallion, which is like it's like a little bowl, which you guys carry around your cruise ship, and then after that, you guys take that around, that lets you guys inside your room, that pays for drinks, that even helps you pay for the cruise ship, which I think is really kind of interesting and really kind of good, okay? So what I recommend, so the thing that I recommend is that everybody just needs to give these cruise lines a little bit of a break, because sometimes the cruise lines don't do good. There's like a couple of other Carnival ships, like in the last couple of years, kind of like there was a poop cruise on the Carnival Victory. There was also the COVID cruise on the Crown Princess and Diamond Princess. There was also the Crystal Serenity that had COVID. There has been a lot of different stuff that has happened to the cruise lines, and we got to understand that. So today's video is just a video to help you guys go through like the different areas. All right, guys, that's it. I don't want to be on here for that long. I gotta make sure I'm ready for this big day today, and I will let you guys know about it in my upcoming YouTube video. So if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And I will see you guys later. Again, if you guys hit that notification bell and ding hit the subscribe button if you guys are not yet subscribed. If you guys are subscribed, please do not hit it, because you guys will lose your subscription. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day.